Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cake mix is probably one of the most convenient ways to bake a delicious cake. It's a fantastic option for bakers of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned pros, because it simplifies the process without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're short on time or just prefer a more straightforward approach, cake mixes offer a quick and easy path to a delightful dessert. Number 5. Betty Crocker Chocolate Fudge Cake Mix, 12-pack. Craving a rich, moist chocolate cake? This mix makes it easy. Just add a few simple ingredients and bake. Baking a cake has never been easier. This mix simplifies the process, getting you from zero to delicious in no time. Want to add your own touch? You can try tested recipes from Betty Crocker to make it your own. This cake mix contains no artificial colors. It's made with quality ingredients to ensure a great taste. Betty Crocker has been a trusted name for generations. It brings you the same fresh-baked favorites you've always loved. What we like? This mix offers a classic, moist chocolate fudge cake experience. Its ease of use makes it perfect for those busy weeknights when you crave a homemade dessert but don't have much time. If you're looking for a reliable, delicious cake without artificial colors, this is the one for you. What people say? Always moist and delicious. It's super easy to make, and the cakes always come out soft, fluffy, and full of flavor. Easy to make and only takes eggs, oil and water. It came out light and moist. Smelled wonderful baking. Number 4. Duncan Hines Classic White Cake Mix. Introducing the Duncan Hines Classic White Cake Mix. It's a classic white cake flavor that everyone will enjoy. This mix makes it easy to bake a delicious cake. Whether it's a birthday party or a simple get-together, this cake mix is perfect. You can easily make a cake, cake pops, or even cupcakes with it. It's versatile and convenient. Making a cake has never been easier. Just add water, egg whites, and vegetable oil to the mix. Then, you'll have a ready-to-bake batter in no time. One box of this mix can make a 13 by 9-inch cake. Or, if you prefer, you can make up to 24 cupcakes. It's a convenient option for any baking needs. Enjoy the classic white cake flavor that everyone loves. This product delivers a moist and delicious cake every time. It's a great choice for any baker. What we like? This white cake mix is a versatile choice for any occasion. It's incredibly easy to prepare, making it ideal for beginner bakers or those who want a quick treat. If you like a blank canvas for your creativity, allowing you to customize with different flavors and decorations, you should consider this. What people say? Duncan Hines makes a good cake mix. You can use this mix to make cake, cookies, cobbler, or even dump cake. The texture is light and airy, melting in the mouth with each bite. Number 3. Duncan Hines Fruity Pebbles Cake Mix Kit. This is a 28.5-ounce Duncan Hines Epic Baking Kit. It comes with everything you need to make a delicious cake. It is perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. Inside, you'll find confetti cake mix, Fruity Pebbles flavored frosting, and Fruity Pebbles cereal. The kit also includes detailed directions to guide you through the process. It is easy to follow. Whether you're a kid or an adult, this kit is perfect for you. Get creative and make something unique, or follow the directions on the package. It's a fun activity for any day. This kit makes it easy to bake a yummy dessert. Stock your pantry with these baking kits for a tasty treat anytime. It's great for a rainy day activity. Enjoy the delicious combination of confetti cake and Fruity Pebbles flavor. It's a fun and easy way to bake a cake. You will love it. What we like? This kit brings a fun and unique twist to your baking. It comes with everything you need, including Fruity Pebbles cereal and frosting, making it a great activity for kids and adults alike. If you are looking for a fun and creative baking experience, especially with kids, this is the perfect choice. What people say? Easy to prepare, everything you need, unique flavor and delicious. Everything is included and makes more than enough pancakes for 3 to 4 people. They truly pack Fruity Pebbles flavor into this epic cake. Number 2. Betty Crocker Spice Cake Mix, 15.25 ounces, pack of 6. Want a delicious and moist spice cake? This mix makes it easy. Just add a few simple ingredients and bake it in the oven. This cake mix is quick and easy to use. You can have a cake ready in no time. It's perfect for any occasion. You can customize this mix in many ways. Use it as a cupcake mix or try out some of Betty Crocker's recipes. It's versatile and fun. Enjoy the sweet and spongy texture of this cake. It's a delightful treat that everyone will love. Make it your own with your favorite toppings. Each box contains 15.25 ounces of mix, and you get a pack of 6. That's plenty for all your baking needs. Stock up and enjoy. What we like. This spice cake mix offers a warm, comforting flavor that's perfect for any season. It's quick and easy to make, and you can easily adapt it for cupcakes. If you like a cake with a rich and aromatic flavor, this is the one for you. What people say. The cake turns out super moist and has a nice, sweet strawberry flavor that isn't too artificial. The texture comes out perfect whether baked as a cake or cupcakes, and it stays moist for days. The texture is perfectly soft and fluffy, living up to its super moist name. Number 1. Krusteaz Meyer Lemon Pound Cake Mix, Pack of 2. This lemon pound cake is incredibly tasty. You'll want to eat the whole thing. But you might want to share the deliciousness with others. It's simple to prepare. Just add water, eggs, and melted butter to the mix, then bake. After it cools, add the lemon glaze and enjoy. This mix is a great starting point for many lemon treats. You can try other recipes or make a bundt cake, cupcakes, or even cake truffles with it. The Krusteaz Meyer Lemon Pound Cake includes a lemon glaze and contains no artificial flavors. It's made with ingredients they are proud of. Each order includes 2 16.5-ounce boxes. The shelf life from production is 548 days. It's great to have on hand for when you crave it. What we like. This lemon pound cake mix delivers a burst of citrus flavor with its moist and delicious texture. The included lemon glaze adds an extra layer of deliciousness. If you are looking for a zesty and easy-to-make dessert, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy and delicious. Wonderful taste. My family and friends can't believe it's gluten-free. Best lemon cake bread we have ever had. I add fresh whole blueberries to the batter, and it makes a phenomenal and easy treat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.